Hello and welcome to the UTM Student Housing and Residence Life Upper Year Housing Selection video series. This video will focus on roommate selection. As a reminder, to access roommate selection, you must have accepted your offer and paid the $1,650 non-refundable acceptance deposit. You will only be able to select roommates who have also accepted their offer. We encourage you to have conversations with your potential roommates to ensure that you both agree to live together before completing roommate selection. To begin the roommate selection process, you will need to visit residence.utoronto.ca and log into StarRes with your UTOR ID and password. When you log into StarRes, select the Upper Year Returner application. You will then select Continue and proceed to the application status on your Upper Year Returner application. Under the Select Next Step drop-down menu, please select Roommate Selection. Please click Go to Selected Step. Hit Save and Continue until you reach the Roommates page. To search for a roommate, select Search for Roommate by Details. To begin your roommate search, you will need to have either their first and last name or their student number. Type in their information into the fields. Click Search. If you have input the proper credentials, the requested person will appear. Click Add to Group. At this point, you have now become the group leader. As a result, only you will be able to continue adding people to this group. They will now be labeled as an outgoing request. Your roommates will notice on their roommate page that they have an incoming request that they will need to accept. Once they have accepted, you will then be listed as a group. If you would like to add more people to your group, click Search for Roommate by Details. Continue adding people until you have satisfied your roommate selections. Please note that you can only select up to 3 roommates. As the group leader, you can make any member of your group the new leader if needed. To do so, select Make Leader on the selected roommate. If your roommate declines your request, they will be removed from your outgoing requests. As a reminder, only the group leader can remove other members from the group. However, you can leave the group whenever you want. Additionally, if you selected same gender on your application, but choose mixed gender roommates, then this will classify you as being comfortable with mixed gender housing if you are assigned with your selected roommates. Now you have successfully selected your roommates for Upper Year Housing. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your residence application or residence in general, please feel free to contact us via email at resdesk.utm@utoronto.ca, by phone at 905-828-5286, or through live chat on our website.